But the greatest jockey in all racing, no, was Lester Piggott.
Mate, seriously.
Sorry, brother.
No, go over there.
Nah, have a
Please don't hit me, I'm your friend.
You are.
I'm your friend.
Go over there.
Sorry, mate. Here we go. Derby Day, 1970.
Stay there.
Lester Piggott on the Jersey. Ready? Here we go. I'll give you the Derby. Lester Piggott. What a jockey, eh? Do you know Frankie the Tory?
Yeah.
Frankie the Tory went to Newmarket, yeah? And Lester Piggott was there. Frankie the Tory. The best jockey of the day. And Lester was behind him. Do you know what Lester Piggott said to Frankie? He said, listen to this. I won the Triple Crown, he said. I won the 2,000 guineas.
I'm in.
I won the Derby and the St. Ledger on the Jinsky. And that was true. Lester Piggott is the most greatest jockey in the world, bruv. Don't hit me, bruv. I'm gonna give you Lester Piggott on the Jinsky. Ready to go? And I don't, I'm a gypsy, knuckle fighting. All my cousins fight for money. And we love Derby Day. You can stick your ascot. We love Derby Day. And here it is, Lester Piggott. Ready? Here you go.
Oh my God.
And it's Lester Piggott on the Jinsky. On the Derby, Sandy Barkley on Connell. And the gypsies are on the downs.
He knows something to shit himself.
And here's Lester Piggott. Go on, Lester. That's my son, Lester.
Okay.
Do you know what, you lot? The hardest mile and a half in the world is at Epsom, Derby Day. Don't give a damn about Franklin. He's never won at Epsom, is he?
Who's Frank?
Now come on, Frankel.
Franco.
Has he won at Epsom? No, he ain't that good, is he? I know what I'm on about. Here we go. I'm a gypsy. Here we go. Derby Day, 1970. Lester Piggott. Right, I love Lester Piggott there.
Nijinsky won in 1971. You got your year wrong.
You have no fucking
No, in 1971 Nijinsky won. You get your year right.
Can't hear you.
You know what I'm from?
As they run down now towards the top road. And here comes Lester Piggott on the Jinsky. Lester! And they go towards the top on pump. And they go Lester Piggott on
Okay, move up the train!
Vincent O'Brien.
Move up the train! Move up the train!
Photo finish.
Oh, you lot, listen. Lester Piggott won the King George, Ascot, won the Jinsky, Saliva, the
Saliva. Fuck off.
You don't know
I
Saliva.
fucking know about him. Me eye, you cunt. Fuck off. No, seriously. Enough's enough. All had a laugh, haven't we? Fuck off.
Lester Piggott. What's your name? Brianna. What's your name? What's your name? What's your name? What's your name? Oi! See my wife, she comes from Barbados.
You said she come from Wales.
See Beyonce. Beyonce. just Beyonce. Beyonce. If I were a boy, I don't give a fuck. Fucking Chelsea. I've been to fucking West Ham, run by them, run by Millwall, with Babsy like. Been to Old Trafford with Chelsea, like, you know what I mean?
territory. Dangerous territory. We don't know what's going on in the.
Aye, me and my missus, she's black. We love fucking.
So she's from Wales.
We love Blackpool. We love Blackpool. Ain't I fucking mad? You ain't met a fucking lunatic like me, have you?
Thanks, Tom. Have now.
Oi! What about Mr. Bean? Mr. Bean!
I hope he gets back on with us today.
I used to take trips for Pink Floyd and acid.
Do you know who you look like? Have you ever seen that?
I'm a lunatic. You don't know I'm a lunatic. I love the Who. I love the Who. I love Pete Townsend. See my wife in Barbados. Her friend knows Roger Daltrey. No one knows what it's like to be the Sandman. I used to take speed pills. Me, I can say that. A fucking lunatic. Look at me go, boys. Ain't I fucking mad? Come on. Ain't I fucking lunatic? Do you know we've got lovely 4 kids?
You are lovely, but you're a bit mad. You are lovely, but
Well, that's
you're a bit
me.
mad.
I'm a gypsy dude.
Aren't we all? Just a bit gypsy.
We're
You're
fighting.
like
You're
a-
Fucking lunatic.
Spitting though.
My
stop
cousins
spitting.
will
Stop
fight for
spitting.
me. Sorry, darling. Sorry, mate. You know what I mean?
You know what
I don't give a fuck who's on this train. I'm a gypsy. And then goes towards the top and turn to the corner now. And then goes to the
This is the best one doing
And
that.
then goes to the
Hope it's a long furlong.
You try and pay for that.
Leicester! Go, my son! Go!
Only whip it 7 times.
Listen to this, bruv. Fucking listen to this, right?
Who won?
Now listen.
Cracking on.
We need some water. Dissolve the saliva. This is gold.
I'm fucking insane. Listen to this.
Right, don't tell them. Don't tell them.
Why?
I'm fucking insane. My birthday's
Go down there. Go down there.
Fuck you, fucking bloody X Factor, Simon Coward, you poser bastard, alright? Roland and fucking bloody Take That. Do you know the best song they ever made? Take That.
What?
The best song, listen to this.
Got a picture of you beside me.
He's mad. He is mad.
Where's my drink?
What song?
Leave it.
It's in your pocket.
I'm like fucking Bruce Lee, look at me, I'm mental. Fucking Bruce Lee and there's a fiddle. Sorry, brother. I'm fucking Van Damme.
This is gonna get me millions.